Take us back to the day when you joined Toastmasters. What problem actually made you join Toastmasters, and how did you continue for 15 years?
So I joined Toastmasters by chance. I was planning to uh, attend a trekking event, but when I browsed to meetup.com, it gave me an option to view a lot of clubs, like Toastmasters, musical club, singing club. I got to know one word called Toastmasters. For me, that was new 15 years back.
Right.
So I then browsed to the Toastmasters, got to know about Toastmasters in detail, and wanted to attend one session somewhere closer to my house,
Right.
in near Secunderabad. So that's how I attended Toastmasters. And when I attended the first session as a guest in Molali, Coca-Cola factory in Molali, that was where the venue of Secunderabad Toastmasters was held. So I saw that people are speaking impromptu, people are giving feedbacks to each other, and were also learning the art of time management, how to listen carefully and give questions. There's a quiz session actually.
Right.
So all these things drove me to learn something in public speaking. So I was not good at time management at that point of time. I was not good at speaking effectively at that
Right.
point of time. I was not able to express my thoughts clearly. I was not organized in writing, delivering the speech. But now, if you tell me to give a speech in front of 400, 800, 100,000 people, you give me a chance, I'm okay to do it effectively. Either
Right.
a planned one or an impromptu one.
Okay.
So it gave me a lot of learning from them. That's the reason these 3 pointers, I was not good at these 3 pointers.
Right.
The clarity, expression, and the time management, and the art of delivering a speech in front of
Right.
an audience. I fear that's a glossophobia.
Hmm.
So that made me stronger over the years because of Toastmasters, and these are reasons that I joined Toastmasters. And my mentors in Toastmasters really helped me to overcome that fear, and definitely it helped me to gain a lot of confidence.
Right.